they receive the data, then that's fantastic. We're glad it was open, and now it is no longer open. I think that a characteristic that should be inherited by everybody who participates in the Internet of Things is data liberation. If that data lands at Nest, that data needs to be available from Nest to the customer, and ideally to the remainder of the third parties that are out there. It's one of those things where people believe they can capture customers by capturing their data and holding it hostage. Google has kind of relinquished that with their Google Takeout program, is that they have a universal program across everything. That is, if you want to take your data home, you can take it. But that...
The more variety and breadth of data, the more value it has, right? Siloed data is worth significantly less than data that can be mashed up and correlated with other sources. At the same time, I would urge caution to also not stifle innovation in the broad arrays of companies out there that are also developing new ways of data capture.
When that's productive and when it's not. There is some concerns if you mandated the release of data, because that adds a whole other layer of security that every company has to go through to validate that the person that they're releasing the data to is actually the person, the correct person. And so I think there are some challenges there with that.
Tell you, I, as much as anybody at Nest, pays attention to the engagement that's going on and sort of the regulatory landscape. And I think it's all positive to have these discussions because it surfaces attention on doing the right thing. But I think not giving enough runway to let customers have input into how products are used and the utility that they're finding from it could lead to very blunt regulation on this. And